Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I know I look a little bit crusty and dusty right now, but I know I'm basically like in a whole new setting, but don't worry about that. It's just for today. So yeah, today I'm coming at you guys with this quick little hair video, and this hair is from Peerless Hair. They sent me 3 bundles of 26 or 28-inch hair. I can't recall. I will put it down for you below, but it's very long. And they sent me a 20-inch frontal, and yeah, I've had this hair for quite some time now. So basically I just came to do a like little installation and styling video for you guys. So I'm just gonna glue down my frontal and style it for you guys. I'm just basically gonna straighten it out. You guys have seen me glue down my frontal like 1,000 times, so I do not need to explain this. So I'm just gonna put some music over it, let you guys watch me straighten and style the hair, and then I'll come back and give you like a kind of in-depth mini review. So yeah.
I should quit chasing and look for something better, but the smile that she shows makes me a go-getter. I haven't gone as far as asking if I could get with her. I just play love by ear and hope she gets the picture. I'm shooting for her heart, got my finger on the trigger. She can be my broad, and I can be her nigga, but I should quit chasing and look for something better, but the smile that she shows makes me a go-getter. I haven't gone as far as asking if I could get with her. I just play love by ear and hope she gets the picture. I'm shooting for her heart, got my finger on the trigger. She can be my broad, and I can be her nigga, but
Okay guys, so I'm back and I finished styling the hair and I put on just a little bit of makeup. I finished styling the hair and this is the finished result. I just did like a quick like side part, even though I never do side parts because I don't think they really suit me that much. I'm just gonna give you like a quick review. There's not really much to say because I pretty much don't have any complaints with this hair. This hair is pretty much just really good. It's soft, it's silky, like it doesn't tangle, but at the same time like it's thick enough. It's just really good hair. And if you've been on YouTube for a while, or if you buy hair regularly, then you will have heard of Peerless hair before because they're a quite well-known vendor of hair. They actually have their own website, which will also be linked down below. But yeah, they're a quite well-known vendor of hair because their hair is just really good, and they are known for like really good quality hair. So when they reached out to me and wanted me to do a review, I was more than happy to do a review because their hair is just really good. There's really not much to complain about because their hair is just that good. Like I said, I've had this wig for like just over a month now. I would say like about 8 weeks, and this hair has pretty much lasted since then. I took this wig on holiday when I went to Afro Nation, went to Portugal, and obviously you can already tell that Portugal was like crazy hot. The hottest was like 31 degrees or something like that. It was crazy hot. So obviously, especially with longer lengths and hair in that country, you expect some tangling, and especially if it's hot, then you kind of get sweaty, the hair kind of get frizzy. That's what you kind of expect from hair, especially when you're in hot climates. That did not happen. I remember wearing this wig on the first day that I got there, and that was like pretty much the hottest day that I was there, and this wig stayed straight all day. I think I had to, I'm just fixing my eyelash. I think I had to fix it like once. When I say fix, I mean just like brush through, otherwise there was no tangling. The frontal is quite good, but I will say that it's not the thinnest lace I've ever used. When lace is not that thin, it becomes harder for the lace to blend in with your skin and to melt properly, and obviously you want your lace to be melted, honey. You want that shit to be undetectable. But it's still good lace, but it's not the thinnest I have ever used. I will say that I have used thinner lace. So if I was to recommend this hair, I would definitely recommend the hair for the bundles, because the bundles are on point all the time. There is not a point where the bundles are not on point. There is not a point where the bundles are not on point. I really enjoy using this hair. Like I said, I've had it for a month and a bit now already. I would say like maybe 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, because I did my hair like 2 weeks before I went to Portugal, so I've had it for like 6 to 8 weeks, and the hair's just been amazing. That is pretty much it for this video. All the links for this hair will be in the description box down below, so please do not forget to check that out. The website to Peerless hair will also be down below, so do not forget to check that out as well, so you can check out all the other bundles and like goodness that they have on their channel. On my channel, honey, on their website. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.